Hi guys, I'm Viva, welcome to my channel, and today's recipe is for this absolutely delicious, easy, no-bake chocolate biscuit cake. It's very easy to make, it's perfect for the summer, you don't need to use the oven, and it has biscuits, ladyfingers and chocolate. We'll start by preparing the cream, and for that we need 4 eggs. And now start whisking them. One cup of sugar, one teaspoon vanilla, and I'll start adding the flour. I have here 4 tablespoons of flour. I'll sift it. And I'll be adding it slowly, not all at the same time. And whisk to incorporate. And the rest of the flour. We're having thunderstorm, by the way. The usual this time of the year in Florida we have thunderstorms almost every day, so and I'm gonna sift my cocoa powder. I'm using unsweetened Baker's Choice cocoa powder. And again, gently we'll mix to incorporate everything. And I'll gradually add my milk, a little bit at a time. Whisk. And the rest of the milk. Mix it well, and we're ready with that mix. This is great, ready. Now we take it to the stove. I have my stove turned to medium heat, and I'll add 1 liter milk. I'm measuring with my cup, 500 milliliters. And I'll add another 500, and that would be 1 liter. Okay guys, you see you start seeing steam coming off the milk, that's the right time to add the mix. I'll give it one more whisk. And from now on, I'll be constantly whisking until the cream thickens. It's been 5 minutes and the cream begins to thicken slowly. Just be patient and whisk all the time. This way you'll prevent lumps and you'll prevent your cream from burning. You can see the bubbles. This is about right. It's thickened enough, and I'll turn off the heat and I'll keep whisking a little bit more, and the cream is ready. And now I'll put it on the side, take it off, put it on the side to cool down. I'm ready to start putting together the cake, guys. I'm using lady fingers and tea biscuits. This is the tea biscuits I use. You can choose any biscuits of your choice, whatever you like. And I'll be using milk to real fast just dip the lady fingers. Don't do it long because they absorb very fast and you don't want it to get soggy. And right here I'm gonna place these biscuits. I'm not gonna use any milk for them. I'll be placing them like that. Again, lady fingers. My camera boy is whisking the cream, making sure it doesn't get the film on the top. Thank you. And again, the tea biscuits. And I'll continue like that until I fill the whole pan. This is it. My cream is slightly cooling down, which is perfect. I don't want it to cool down completely to room temperature. I want it to be warm. This way all the biscuits and lady fingers will soak really nicely in the cream. And all I have left is just to pour it on the top. Fill it up in the corner. Make sure everything is very well covered and soaked. Generously pour your cream. You want everything to soak very nice. It's gonna be so soft, so yummy, so fluffy. And that will stay in the refrigerator for about 5 hours. First you need to have it cool down to room temperature and then put it in the refrigerator. And the best is have it overnight. Okay, there it is. I'll just even it out.
And I'm gonna just give it a little shake, move it around to even out, get the bubbles, air bubbles out if there are any. And our cake is ready. Okay guys, the cake is ready. It stayed in the refrigerator overnight, and I had my husband help me remove it from the pan and place it here. Usually I would serve it from the pan the way it is, but I wanted to show you. Okay, there it is. I have little biscuits, and I will decorate only with these biscuits. I'll break them by hand so I can have some bigger chunks. You can use fruits, you can use any kind of nuts. Walnuts would be great, or almonds. Choose anything you like. I broke my biscuits like that. I have smaller, bigger chunks, and I'll just spread it on the top. You can go around the corners only if you like. You can make all kinds of decorations like that. It actually looks pretty good like that. You can add some fruits. I decided to leave it like that, so I'm just gonna finish around the edges. And now we just have to cut and try the cake and see what it's like. I know it's good because this is one of our family favorite cakes. And we make it with vanilla or chocolate. Done. So easy and so yummy. And let's cut. Everything is soaked so much. Oh my god. Always clean your knife between cuts. This way you get a clean cut. I'm getting nice huge piece. Okay, let me just place it here. I gently remove the paper. I cut it only on the sides. See, I haven't cut here because this way, when you cut a piece of the cake, you can lift it. Otherwise, you lift with the paper together. And I turn the cake so you can see the layers, how beautifully they turn. Let me show you on the piece. You can see how nice the layers of the biscuits and the lady fingers are. And I made myself my favorite vanilla caramel coffee, and this will be my breakfast. I'll have cake with coffee and some strawberries, and let's try it. Looks great. And it tastes great. Try this recipe at home. I'll be digging in this. If you try it, let me know in the comments below how it turned out. Don't forget to give me a like and please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye!